In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a view-only Google Sheet as an Excel file. This can be especially useful if you've been granted view-only access to a Google Sheet and need to work with the data offline or in a different software program. So let's dive right in. First, you want to open the Google Sheet that you have view-only access to. Simply navigate to the desired file using your web browser, and once there, open it. You'll notice that, with view-only access, many typical editing functions are disabled, which is why we need this workaround. So, take a moment to ensure you have the correct file open in front of you. Next, we're going to focus on the URL of the Google Sheet. You'll notice the URL ends with the word edit. What you'll need to do here is replace everything from edit onwards with HTML view. This change alters how the document is displayed, rendering it in a simplified, web-friendly format. Carefully make the change to the URL, and once done, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will reload the page with the new HTML view format. Once the page has loaded, it's time to use your mouse to right-click anywhere on the page. This action opens up a context menu with various options. From this menu, go ahead and select the Save As option. This will prompt your browser to start the process of downloading the file. A file dialog will appear, typically in the bottom section of your browser window, asking you where to save the file. Here, you can choose your desired location on your computer. The file may initially save as an HTML file. However, don't worry about the file type just yet. You can change it to Excel in the next step. Make sure you're saving the file in a location where you'll easily find it later. Now, here's an important detail. Once saved, open the HTML file using Excel. When you do this, Excel converts the data from the HTML format into its own workbook format. There you have it, a quick and easy way to access Google Sheet data offline and in Excel. Make sure you give yourself time to double-check the formatting and data integrity once everything is opened in Excel. Every now and then, complex Excel functions or conditional formatting might need a little tweaking post-conversion. And there you go! You've successfully downloaded and saved a view-only Google Sheet as an Excel file. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.